the last video we discussed about how to draw the mechanical drawing in detail. Okay, now I'm going to explain some more modifier tools left. Okay, so I'm going with that. Here I'm going with explode. So explode is the one which is used to separate all the elements of the closed diagram, otherwise polyline diagrams. Okay, here I'm drawing a rectangle. REC is a shortcut for the rectangle. We already know about this very well. Now I want to separate these elements. Okay, for that I'm using explode. The shortcut is X. Enter. See, simply we can separate the elements of rectangle. If I want to join, if I want to convert it as a group, so for that what I am doing, I just selecting all of them at a time. I'm giving J, enter for join all the lines like this. Next, same as well, here we have fillet and same as well chamfer. We already discussed in our mechanical drawing while drawing. Okay, so here I am going to explain fillet and chamfer once again. So here for fillet, F is a shortcut I'm giving here. Next, I want to specify the radius because in fillet we get the curve shape that is like an arc. So for that we have to specify the radius only. So I am choosing radius in command bar. Now specify the radius, how much radius you require. Okay, now here I want to specify. So the radius is, I'm giving 5, enter. So this is my first line and this is my second line. See how I am getting. In rectangle command also we have the fillet, but in that we get the fillet at 4 edges. Here we can create fillet in any 2 objects wherever it will be. Okay, same as well, here we have the chamfer. So CHA is a shortcut for the chamfer. Okay, so here in chamfer we just get the inclined line. So for that we have to specify the 2 values. Okay, so here I am selecting the CHA, enter. Now here we have to specify the first chamfer distance 5, enter. Next, second chamfer distance 3, enter. This is my first one, this is my second one. So first thing is, when we go with chamfer, we just select the distance here. CHA, enter. Select the distance because here we are specifying of distance only. Okay, I'm giving 5 for first chamfer and second is 3 I'm giving. We already did it in rectangle. Okay, this is the one type of rectangle. We did it rectangle once. Revise this one. Okay, next. Next what we have? So here we have the scale part. So which is used to extend, otherwise if you want to enlarge your object, if you want to convert it as a large part. Okay, if you want to double your object, for that what we have to do, I'm using scale command here. So for scale, SC is a shortcut. I'm selecting object, I'm giving SC, enter. So this is my base point. So if you want to increase the size of your object, just specify the numerical values. Otherwise, if you want to decrease size of the object, just specify the decimal values. Okay, so here I am going with specify the numerical values which are used to increase the size of the object at a time, not the one direction. It will increase the overall object. Okay, I'm giving 2 here. So this is my object. Now if I want to decrease the size of this object, I'm giving SC, enter, selecting the base point. Now I want to specify the decreasing value which is used to which gives the smaller size of our original object. Now here I am specifying the 0.6 is my scale factor which is used to decrease the size of the object. I'm giving enter. See, this is my object. So like this we can increase, otherwise we can decrease the object of this size at a time. Same as well, here we have the stretch. So in stretch command what we have to do, we just stretch any one of the side, not at all the total object. We just stretch either lengthwise or either widthwise. Okay, see here I am drawing one more rectangle. So this is my rectangle, right? I am exploding this one. Now what I am doing, I just want to extend this portion. I want to stretch this portion. Only this width I want to stretch that. Okay, for that I am going to select this. So this is my object. I am selecting S. Enter. Now specify the base point. So this is my base point I am taking. See how I am stretching my object. If you want to extend this for from some certain distance, so I am owning my ortho. Now specify the distance, how much additional distance you want. Okay, if you want to decrease the size also you can. See, like this we can stretch the our object while drawing the plans. In that time, in some cases we did some mistakes. So by using the stretch, we can what we call, so we can remove the all type of that mistakes, right? Okay, so wherever you want to do the stretch of your objects, you can do by using the stretch command. Okay, same as well here we have the trim. You already know about this trim, right? So I'm drawing like this. If you want to delete, if you want to erase any unwanted portion, in that time we have to use the trim. Here double enter. Otherwise, go with TR enter. In latest versions, they can give TR enter. Okay, in old versions, we have to specify TR double enter. Okay, so like this, we can delete the unwanted portions of our object. Here, next. So we already complete rotate. I think so. Okay, so once again, I want to revise this one. The rotate. So I'm selecting this object. If you want to rotate any object with certain angle, okay, in that time I'm selecting this object, giving RO. RO is a shortcut for rotates, right? RO, enter. Now specify the base point for rotation. This is my base point. Now if you want to rotate it, you can. Otherwise, if you want to specify the angle also, you can do it. Now I want to give the angle of 45. See, this is my image. If you want to rotate the object, but you want both, before rotation, after rotation object, you have to see on the screen. So in that time, what we have to do, we just on the, otherwise you just select the copy command in the command bar. So here I am selecting this one, I am giving RO, enter. So this is my base point, right? Now here in command bar I am selecting the copy. Okay, so this is my original object. Now we are going to do the rotation of this object. Okay, I am giving 1 1 2. So this is the rotation of our object. So this is our original object. So like this we can do. So we can do any type of objects, otherwise we can create any type of objects. Clear? So these all the some of the modifier tools which are available in AutoCAD. Okay, by using this we can draw any type of drawing, otherwise any type of plan, whatever it will be. Okay, so AutoCAD is not for the only civil, everyone can use this one. Okay, if you have any doubts in this, drop a message in comment section. I will clear your doubts. Okay, bye bye.